Good morning, everyone. Today's subject is machine tools and metallurgy. Uh, my name is Dharma Teja. My roll number is 20951 80314. Today's topic is difference between center lathe and turret lathe. Firstly, we talk about the center lathe. The center lathe is used to manufacture the cylindrical shapes from a range of materials including steels and plastics. Many of the components that go together to make an engine work have been manufactured using lathes. These may be lathes operated directly by people or manually lathes or computer controlled lathes CNC machines that have been programmed. Turretless slides and across slides. This is the center lathe. This is the center lathe. It has headstock, gear levers and check and clock spindling and tool post and top slide and a lead screw and tailstock, feed shaft, the motor. The inside the headstock of a center lathe can be opened, revealing an arrangement of gears. These gears are sometimes replaced to alter the speed of the rotation of the chuck. The lathe must be switched off before opening, although the motor should automatically cut off it. The door is open while the machine is running. The speed of the rotation of the chuck is usually set by using the gear levers. These are usually on the top of the headstock or allowing the front and allow for a wide range of speeds. However, sometimes the only way to set the lathe to a particular speed to change the gear arrangement inside the headstock, and most machines will have a number of alternate gear wheels for this purpose. This is the headstock. This is the inside of the headstock. We have the gears. You can see. Now we come to turret lathe. The turret and capstan lathes are the natural development of the engine lathe, where the tailstock is replaced by an indexable multi-stations tool head called the capstan or the turret. This head carries a section of standard tool holders and special attachments. A square turret is mounted on the cross slide in place of the usual compound rest in the engine lathe. Sometimes a fixed tool holder is also mounted on the back. end of the cruise slide. Dimensional control is effected utilizing the longitudinal and transversal ad- 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 adjustable stops. Adjustable stops. Capstan and turret lathes are production lathe uses of assembling of a huge number of comparable workings in the slightest feasible time. These lathes are progression above the center lathe. Um, Mentioning of a job on the center's lathe takes extensive lathes extensive time which is done on the turret lathe, which is the explanation of surface for moving eight or extra tools. Characteristic features of these machines are capstan or turret head mount on the bed. Turret lathe. This is a turret lathe. The difference between capstan and turret lathe. Essential components and operating principles of capstan and turret lathes are illustrated systematically in figure. Capstan lathes are mainly used for bar work, whereas the turret lathes are applicable for large work in the form of casting and forging. In a capstan or raw type lathe, the hexagon turret is mounted on a slide that moves longitudinally in stationary saddle. During the setup of machine, the saddle is postponed along the bed to give the shortest possible stroke for the job. The advantage of capstan lathe is that the operator has less mass to move, resulting in an easier and faster handling. The disadvantage is that the hexagonal turret slide is fed forward such that the overhang is increased, resulting in the deflection of the arm slide, especially at the extreme of its position, which produces a taper and reduces accuracy. This is a turret lathe and capstan lathe. The both it has a headstock and tailstock. Whether it has stationary saddle and movable saddle.